Today, I'm doing some maintenance on our 3D printer. Now I'm getting out the grease, the Super Lube. This is the silicone lubricant grease. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease on here, just dabbing it down as I go. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one on the other side. And then the one on the back, I'm just gonna put some on my finger, because this won't reach back in there. Didn't quite get enough on there, so I'll put on some more. For this last part here, I just put a little bit of grease on here, and then I just stuck my finger in here to put it on. But I got the grease along here and the grease along there. And then they say to wipe the grease, the excess grease off, so I'm going to get in there and get that little bit of extra grease off of there. There's a little bit of grease built up on here. You can see there's a lot of grease built up on the bottom, so I'm just going to get that off of there. Same thing on this side. All right, I got the maintenance done on my 3D printer, and this Super Lube silicone lubricant grease helped. Yeah, those gears are moving around great now. This is pretty nice stuff.